After discovering this recipe, I only make pasta like this. I'll start by adding water to a pot. Then I will add a teaspoon of salt and I will stir. Then I will add 250 grams of pasta and I will let it cook. Now I'm going to add some olive oil in a pan. Then I will add 300 grams of meat and then I will stir constantly until cooking. Tell me if you have any recipe for pasta, I would love to know. Once this is done, I will season with a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, and then I will stir everything very well with the help of a spatula so that all the seasonings mix and aggregate in the meat. Now I will add a cup of water in a container, then 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of wheat flour, and I will stir everything. In another pan, I will add a little olive oil. After a chopped onion, a chopped tomato, half yellow bell pepper, half green bell pepper. Finally a carrot cut, and then I will stir constantly, this way, until all the vegetables are sautéed. This recipe is amazing, it will surprise you. Then I will add the meat along with the vegetables, then I will stir once more so that the ingredients are added. Now I'm going to pour the mixture I made, distributing well. Then I'll let it cook. After time, I will uncover and add the cooked pasta and then stir one last time. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Rose Rosina from Uganda. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Done, this is ready our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. Is an amazing recipe, quick, easy, goes few ingredients and best of all, it's delicious, there's no reason for you not to do it in your home. People, I love this recipe, I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video, bye.